If your eBay store feels harder to manage as it grows, something's not working. One missed update, one delayed shipment, and suddenly everything feels out of control. Yeah, it's a lot. But what if your shipping actually worked with you? Say hello to iSend, an Australian-based e-commerce logistics platform that brings everything into one place. Your orders, your carriers, your fulfillment. Simplified. With seamless integration, your eBay orders sync automatically, keeping your workflow smooth, organized, and ready to scale. In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect your eBay store to the iSend dashboard. Now, let's start connecting your eBay store to iSend first. Log in to your iSend account by entering your credentials and accessing your dashboard, where you can manage all your shipping and store integrations. Once you are inside the dashboard, navigate to the e-commerce stores section, which is where you can manage and connect your online stores. After that, click on the Add Store button. From the available options, select Add eBay Store. Since this is the platform you want to connect, click Continue to eBay, log in your eBay account, and just like that, you're all set. By connecting your eBay store to iSend, everything starts working with you. Your orders sync automatically, your shipments stay organized, and your tracking stays accurate without the extra effort. Because iSend isn't just a courier tool, it's the engine that helps your store run faster, cleaner, and smarter. So if you're ready to stop managing the mess and start scaling with ease, iSend's got you.